Hey guys, now we're going to install the decibel killer back into the system. Okay, you see there's nothing in there right now. Now to install this, there's only one screw which goes on a number 4 allen head. Okay, first we have to remove this small rubber you see there. Okay, just pull it off. It stops anything from falling here and there. Yeah, don't lose it. Now we have to open this. We need to fasten it by torque or something. Okay. And where is that one gone here? There we are. Now the tricky part is here to align this nut, this hole I mean, with the hole over here. So do the best you can. Okay, sand it slowly. You take your allen head, put through the hole and try to make sure the holes are aligning. So now you see it's totally out. Is where I am and where that is. So I'm going to turn it around a bit and then try again. Put the allen key and then make sure it comes out from there. Okay, straight. Yeah. So finally put it onto number 4 like that. Okay, then once you've done that, it should go right in without resistance. Once it goes in without resistance, that means you've done it properly. And just give it a bit of a nudge. See, I got my spanner there, and then tighten it a bit. That's it, not too much. Then this thing goes back. Make sure you put it back because you don't want the nut to fall off by mistake, screw, whatever. If you want, you can use a screwdriver from the side and sit inside. It should be nice, snug, no gaps. Once you know, see, it's fastened from all sides, so it's done. So there it is.